Cerwin-Vega XLS-12 speaker review. Bass that shakes walls, in a good way. Ever felt like your speakers just don't cut it? You crank up the volume, but the sound gets muddy, the bass disappears, and your excitement fizzles. It's like pouring energy into a black hole of mediocrity. Frustrating, overwhelming, and soul-crushing. Wasted time, wasted money, wasted vibes. Music, movies, and games deserve more than meh sound. Deadlines loom, stress builds, and burnout lurks when you can't even relax with quality sound. Imagine missing that heart-rattling explosion in your favorite movie, or that guitar riff falling flat, because your gear just can't keep up. It's not just disappointing, it's opportunity lost. A weak setup doesn't just fail your entertainment, it steals your joy. Enter the Cerwin-Vega XLS-12 12-inch three-way home audio floor tower speaker, the audio game-changer that rewrites the rules. With a 12-inch high-excursion woofer, 6.5-inch midrange, and 1-inch soft dome tweeter, it delivers bass you feel in your chest, mids that carry voices clearly, and highs that cut through like crystal. With 95 dB sensitivity, it gets thunderously loud even with modest receivers. Built tough with a sturdy MDF cabinet, fuse protection, and that classic Cerwin-Vega flair, this tower isn't just gear, it's a legend reborn. Picture this, you're hosting a movie night, bracing for that epic soundtrack drop. Instead of distortion or disappointment, the room shakes, jaws drop, and your living room transforms into a full-blown theater. That's not just performance, it's a moment. It's the speaker that saves the night, turning ordinary gatherings into unforgettable experiences. The XLS-12 doesn't just make sound, it creates an experience. Think floor-shaking bass without a subwoofer, laser-sharp dialogue clarity in movies, and energetic punch for music that makes your body move. Experts call it a distinct advantage in clarity, especially at high volumes. Influencers rave. They're built like tanks, designed to be played loud. Analysts agree. A rare combo of high sensitivity and power handling, performance without fluff. And customers? They don't hold back. I've had mine for years. They still sound incredible. Another fan says, the efficiency is amazing. My 50-watt receiver drives them louder than I'd ever need. One more sums it up perfectly. Legendary for a reason. Loud, punchy, and fun. You'll discover what forums keep buzzing about. Detail and strong bass. Hard to beat for the price. Imagine your living room vibrating with concert-level energy, while voices remain crystal clear. Proof that Cerwin-Vega engineered the XLS-12 for both power and precision. Why settle for good enough when this speaker proves music and movies can feel larger than life? Step closer, because thousands already swear by the XLS-12. The only question is, will you? Don't wait. These speakers don't stay in stock for long. The Cerwin-Vega XLS-12 isn't just another tower. It's a legacy piece that transforms your entertainment forever. Join thousands who've already unlocked powerful, room-filling sound and never looked back. Supply is limited, demand is high, and every day you delay is one more day settling for less. Act now, secure your pair, and feel the sound. Don't just listen, live it.